Welcome back to Wheel Wisdom, the home of smart car choices and rolling adventures. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into something that will shift the gears of your road tripping dreams, the 2025 Tiffin Allegro Red. Whether you're a family planning cross-country vacations, a first-time buyer ready to level up your RV game, or a car enthusiast who appreciates a well-engineered rig, this motorhome promises to bring luxury and practicality on four wheels. According to the latest news and updates, Tiffin has taken the already beloved Allegro Red and supercharged it for 2025 with upgrades in tech, comfort, and performance. From a redesigned modern bathroom to a cozy bedroom sanctuary, from a tech-loaded cockpit to a kitchen that rivals residential setups, this motorhome isn't just about travel, it's about living. Let's get rolling with the powertrain. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, the 2025 Allegro Red houses a beast of an engine, a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter turbo diesel that cranks out 360 horsepower and 800 pound-per-feet of torque. This is paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifts and controlled power whether you're climbing mountain passes or cruising open highways. It rides on a Freightliner XCM chassis, and this combination gives you a planted, confident feel on the road. Fuel economy is decent for its class, hovering around 10 to 12 miles per gallon depending on load and terrain, which is surprisingly frugal given its size and weight. Step inside and you're greeted with a living space that blurs the line between motorhome and luxury apartment. The living area in the Allegro Red 2025 is designed for comfort and function. Dual ultra-leather sofas offer plenty of seating, and with optional theater recliners and a lift TV system, movie nights are a serious upgrade. The fireplace adds a cozy touch, especially on chilly evenings. Natural light pours in through the generously sized panoramic windows, which come with day/night solar and blackout roller shades for ultimate light control and privacy. The windows are dual-pane, which not only enhances insulation but also blocks outside noise. The kitchen is a home chef's dream, with solid surface countertops, a residential-sized refrigerator with a bottom freezer, a convection microwave, and an induction cooktop. Storage is abundant thanks to well-placed overhead cabinets and full extension drawers with soft close mechanisms. There's even a pantry with adjustable shelving, rare in this segment. A central vacuum system makes cleanup effortless, keeping your interior showroom fresh no matter how big your adventure gets. Now, let's talk about the bathroom. And yes, this deserves its own moment. The 2025 Allegro Red features a split bath design, which means the shower and toilet/sink area are separate, allowing multiple users at once. The shower is spacious, enclosed in glass, and finished with stylish tile accents and a skylight that adds natural brightness. According to the latest updates from Tiffin, this year's model gets upgraded fixtures and better water pressure thanks to a redesigned plumbing system. The vanity includes a solid surface top, mirrored medicine cabinet, and integrated lighting that gives it that luxury hotel vibe. It's modern, it's practical, and it feels nothing like the cramped RV bathrooms we all dread. Head into the bedroom, and you're instantly wrapped in relaxation. The king-size bed is memory foam and flanked by nightstands with USB ports and 110V outlets, ideal for modern families juggling phones, tablets, and CPAP machines. The cabinetry here is handcrafted, and there's a walk-in wardrobe with mirrored doors, drawers for days, and even washer/dryer prep. The LED accent lighting creates a serene glow that's perfect for winding down after a long day on the road. There's also a second smart TV here because yes, luxury means having options. Roof details matter, especially when you're out in the elements, and the Allegro Red doesn't skimp. The one-piece fiberglass roof is seamless and reinforced, making it resistant to leaks and wear. It's crowned for water runoff and houses low-profile air conditioners with quiet operation and excellent cooling capacity. Solar prep and optional panels allow you to extend your off-grid capabilities, a huge plus for adventure seekers. Moving up front to the interior cabin, the driving experience in the Allegro Red 2025 is nothing short of commanding. The captain's chairs are plush, power-adjustable, and now feature heating and cooling functions. The dashboard is redesigned for better ergonomics with a digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment center that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, and real-time RV-specific routing. Side and rear cameras, collision mitigation systems, and adaptive cruise control help keep you safe, while blind spot monitoring and lane assist make maneuvering this beast less intimidating for new drivers. In terms of safety, the 2025 Allegro Red is well equipped with features like electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring, automatic traction control, and air ride suspension that self-levels while driving. Tiffin also includes their exclusive Powerglide chassis enhancements for added structural integrity and ride comfort. Value for money? Absolutely. Starting at around $350,000, depending on options and dealer markups, the Allegro Red may not be your bargain bin motorhome, but it offers premium features and craftsmanship that make it worth every penny. Tiffin's legendary build quality, industry-best warranty, and nationwide service network further sweeten the deal. Let's quickly run through the pros and cons. Pros: a powerful diesel engine, ultra-luxurious interior, superior tech integration, and impressive safety features. Cons: the price tag might stretch some budgets, and with its size, parking in tight urban areas can be a challenge. But for those serious about traveling in style, the Allegro Red delivers a best-in-class experience. So what do we think here at Wheel Wisdom? The 2025 Tiffin Allegro Red is not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It brings a perfect blend of freedom, luxury, and capability, designed with families, adventurers, and road warriors in mind. If you're looking for a rig that checks all the boxes, comfort, performance, tech, and long-term value, this might just be your dream RV. Thanks for riding along with us today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wheel Wisdom. Drop your questions below and let us know what you want us to review next. Until then, keep your wheels rolling and your adventures endless.